Hi, I'm Chris, N9CVR. Merry Christmas, and in this video, we're going to check out a new toy. So first, before we get looking at the desktop and my new FT5D, just wanted to say I mentioned, well, I posted sort of in the last video, there was stuff in the last video saying I had COVID. Yeah, I got it. It seemed like a really mild case though. So it lasted 3-4 days, nothing super major, so I guess I'm lucky that way. I've had it previously a lot worse. But if you hear stuff, that's what that is. It's leftover COVID. Right now, as day of filming, it's morning of Christmas Eve. We've got a really busy Christmas Eve into Christmas coming up, so we decided to open presents early. And the FT5D was my gift. So, full disclosure, I kind of half started opening it already, and then I went, wait a second, this should be an unboxing, so I put it back together. So I've seen a little bit, but not a ton. So let's bring you on the bench and take a look. So here's the box. Gives you about an idea of the size. Let's pop her open. Maybe. There we go. So first thing you see is the manual, which I will set aside, and then the goodies. So I don't know, in no particular order. I see tiny screws in here. So this is the case. I am kind of glad this is the black one instead of the red one. I feel like the red one, to me, is a little weird. So that'll be cool. I will not take this out because I see those little screws. I don't want to lose them. Let's see, what do we got here? Chargers and adapters. That I can take out. Yep, there's the charger. That looks like a barrel plug. I gotta check this, but this might be the same barrel plug as my computer uses. And what does this take for amperage or voltage? 10.5 volts. Darn it. Because it would be so cool if this would work on power poles. And then here's this international adapter, which I shall not be needing, at least in the foreseeable future. This oh, come on. There we go. Is a USB cable. More loose screws, so this is the other half of the belt clip. The radio. Oop. Trying to do this on screen is hard. Here, let's start from here. Ready? Nice. Comes without the battery, and then the battery is back here. Let's put the radio over here. I'm actually going to get out the antenna. Oh, the antenna is sealed in both sides. Okay. Let's see if I can. There we go. It's just a rubber duck. I'm guessing I will probably be using my signal stick instead. That's why I wanted the antenna, to be able to get the battery out. 7.2 volt, 22 milliamp hour. 2200 milliamp hour, sorry. All right, well, let's get this out of the way. That's the box. Let's put the rubber duck on for a second. That was a very nice positive feel. It's interesting because you screw it on, it feels like a normal SMA until the last couple threads where it kind of starts feeling like it's clamping down on an O-ring, and then it just stops. Just stops. Okay. Battery. Oh, battery goes in this way. Okay. Maybe. Definitely. And I suppose I should have looked at this thing to figure out how to turn the power on. Hey, there it is. Okay, please enter your call sign. Tap. Here we go. So we are going to go N 9 C V R. And this one maybe? No? I don't know. Push to talk? Hey, that seemed to work. Okay. So I'm noticing the battery level is very low, so I should probably not do too much here. But I was hoping to try to make contact. I've never used this radio before or anything like it, so I'm probably doing it the wrong way, but we'll find out. 146.52. Let's see if I can make a contact. Okay, I figured I'd bring you around front for this. Same thing, I'm still on 146.52. Let's see what happens here. A little concerned because there's a no volume, no speaker, but then the volume button goes. I don't know. We'll see what happens here. Give it a shot. N9CVR, testing a new radio. N9CVR. People don't monitor 146.52 very much around here, so let's try a different frequency. See if I can do this on the fly. I'm gonna guess. So I'm trying a local repeater here. If I go menu, oops. How do I do forward? There we go. Trying to, hopefully you can see this. I am trying to find where I would squelch type, tone, sure, that looks good to me. That, okay. No. No, that's not what I want. There we go. Okay, what I'm looking for is where do I set the squelch? or sorry, where do I set the tone? Is it under code? Yeah, I think it is 100 hertz that I'm looking for. So let's go. Call that good. Oops. Back, I guess. And I didn't want 14652. I wanted 14676. Now let's just look at that again. Code, 100 hertz. I'm picking this up slowly. Tone, that should be good. Let's give it a shot. N9 CVR, testing a new radio. Oops. Try to change the volume. Instead, I changed the frequency. Well, I obviously opened the repeater, so that's cool. It doesn't seem like anybody's listening on Christmas Eve morning. I don't really blame them. It's bugging me exactly how low that battery is, so I think I'm going to shut this off and charge it. But, yeah. Hope Santa was good to you, too. Really awesome. Like I said, this is Christmas Eve morning for me. So there's still going to be Santa gifts for the kids and stuff like this. But this was from the family. So, but no, I just wanted to... Here, let's shut this off before it dies. There we go. Just wanted to wish you a really Merry Christmas. It's been amazing for me, I know. Well, obviously with this, but just in general, it's been really good. Yeah, hope everything's going great for you all. Hope Santa's good to you. If you get something cool, let me know in the comments. I love hearing what people got. And otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. 73.